Welcome to a world of boundless possibilities. We are the modeling units. Together with my friends and my aid of TD teacher, we created this estate, which we called Burlington Estate. Burlington Estate is a very unique and special estate with 2 acres land. And as one drives a vehicle into the estate, they are welcomed by this beautiful 5-bedroom semi-detached duplex. Burlington Estate has several social amenities, such as street lights, nature, playgrounds, and football pitch. Burlington Estate is also a greenhouse, which means we don't use generators. Rather, we use solar panels. And this is to reduce the pollution in society and also aid renewable energy.
The empty land spaces here further depict the idea that Burlington Estate is a new and upcoming estate. And the lack of a fence right here is showing continuity of this estate. The materials used for this model is straw board, which was used for the base, model roof, which was used for the roof of this building, and the roof of the gatehouse as well, while model trees, model cars, and model humans for the further beautification of the estate. And this right here is the blueprint of the entire estate. We have the site plan, which we've tweaked a bit to fit our preferences, the ground floor plan, the first floor plan, the second floor plan, which can also serve as the penthouse, and the roof plan right there.
Who wouldn't want to live in this beautiful estate? For just 200,000 naira, one can purchase the estate model and the plan.